After you have prepared your model with spaces and zones, let's start a heat load calculation based on this model. Under building detection, you find a few options which allow you to control the analysis process. Ground approximation. Here you can select between a constant ground level or analysis of the topography. Related to this, you select here the ground floor or the ground level outside the building. Sandwich component detection. This is relevant if your architectural model consists of different parts. For example, a structural and an architectural model are combined. In these cases, Building Analyzer is able to calculate the resulting U values, even there is a composition of different elements making up a wall or a floor. And finally, with the optional transfer, you can select which data is taken from the model for calculation purposes. Pushing on this button, linear building analyze go through all materials, components, rooms and levels and prepares all these detailed information for an exact load calculation according to standards. After selecting a location and the building type, you can select the heat load and directly see that all rooms are organized in floors. And if you go into the first floor and into an office, you see all the room bounding elements here with geometric data, with surfaces, which U values and the resulting transmission heat load. Also for ventilation part, there are some things which can be preset from the Revit building model. Let's take a look on the master tables. The building materials which were used in Revit you also find here with the names, lambda values, densities, capacities and so on. And even the components made up from these building materials are also detected with their thicknesses and the composition of walls and floors and so on.